Hello everyone. I hope that you all are doing well. And this is Ayat Adin Sheikh, and we are on chapter 7, that is comparing quantities. Now we are on exercise 7.3. So we have discussed till question number 2. Now I am moving towards question number 3. So here question number 3, that is given. Fabina borrows rupees 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest, and Radha borrows the same amount for the same period at 10% per annum compounded annually. Who pays more interest and by how much? Okay, so let's get started. So what is given? First note down. That is given. Fabina borrows. So we have principal for Fabina, that is 12,500. Yes. Rate, that is 12%. And time, that is given 3 years. And you have to find simple interest. Okay, so first find simple interest. For that, simple interest, that is P multiply R multiply T upon 100. So PRT. So that is given 12,500 multiply 12 multiply 3 and 100. This. So here you just need to multiply. So after multiplication you will be getting 4,500. This is SI. This is SI for Fabina. Okay. Now I am just taking that another one person, that her name is Radha. So now for Radha. Okay. Just remember SI, that is a 4,500. So Radha's principal, that is same, principal is same, and period interest, that is 10%. Interest, rate of interest, that is 10%, and it is compounded annually. It is compounded annually, and time period same. Okay, so we have to find that is compound interest. Okay. Now I am removing this one. Just remember that for Fabina we got SI, that is 4,500. Now I am solving for Radha. So put the formula, that is A equals to P1 plus R upon 100 inside, and that is 12,500, 1 plus 10 upon 100, and here it is 3. So here 12,500, this it will 11 upon 3, sorry, 11 upon 10. 11 upon 10, 3 times 11 upon 10 and 11 upon 10, right? This. Okay? So we have actually 11 multiply 11. So you will be getting 125 multiply 11. Cube of 11, that is 1331 and upon 10, right? Okay. So I need to remove this one so that I can write down. So after multiplication we get after multiplication we get to 166,375, right? 166,375 upon 10. So to remove this 10, just place decimal after one digit from right hand side. So this is like that, right? Okay. So this is the amount. And what were the question? Let me remind. Who pays more interest and by how much? So find the CI. CI, that is A minus P. You can put 0. So A, that was 16,637 minus 12,500. So how much you will be getting? You will be getting 4,137. This much you will be getting, right? Yes, we will be getting CI, that is. So you can see SI, that was 4,500, and CI, that is 4,137 rupees and 50 paisa. So clearly Fabina pays more. Actually, you can see it was the rate of interest here, it was 10%, and rate of interest there, it was 15%, right? Sorry, 12% or 15%. Yeah, it was 12% for Fabina and it is 10% for Radha. So we'll be writing Fabina pays more interest. Fabina pays more interest. Now find out how much. So for that you just need to simply subtraction. So 4, 5, this. How much you will be getting? You will be getting 362.50. It is 5. Yeah, 362 rupees and 50 paisa. That Shabina pays more. Okay. So this is all about question number 3. Thank you for watching and please don't forget like, share and subscribe.